Hello friends, welcome to our channel, welcome to another new video. So in this video I am going to tell you about the entrance exam patterns. So today I will tell you about the patterns of Wbjee, JEE Main, Neet, Wbjee Jenpas, Aiims Nursing, KIIT and VIT. So without wasting time, let's start. So at first I am going to tell you about the pattern of Wbjee. So the exam duration is 2 hours for each paper. Actually there is 2 papers. Paper 1 is for mathematics, and for mathematics you have 2 hours, and the second paper is for physics and chemistry, that is also for 2 hours. So your total duration is 4 hours, and there is a gap between the 2 papers. Okay, so I've told you about the duration, papers, and type of question. Obviously there are all multiple choice question, and there will be also more than one multiple choice question. That depends upon the section, and there will be total 40 physics question, total 40 chemistry question, and total 75 mathematics question. So within 4 hours you have to do all this, and there is no compulsory question. Okay, so this is all about Wbjee. So next is JEE Main. So and I didn't told you about the negative marking. There is also negative marking in Wbjee, and it also depends upon section. I think in section 1 there is minus 0.25, and in second section that is minus 0.5. okay, that is the negative scheme for Wbjee. And now I am moving to JEE Main. So there are 2 papers in JEE Main, that is paper 1 for BE BTech, and paper 2 is for architecture. Okay, so firstly there are 2 sections, and in first section A, the marking scheme is +4 for correct answer and -1 for incorrect answer, and the type of question will be MCQ. Okay, and there will be 20 question for physics, 20 question for chemistry, and 20 question for maths. There are no compulsory questions. You can attempt all 20 or the number you want. And in section B, the marking scheme is +4 for correct and -1 for incorrect, and the question type will be numerical value. That is, you have to give the answer like 1, 2. okay, that is numerical value. And there will be total 10 physics question, out of which you have to attempt any 5, 10 chemistry question, out of which you have to attempt any 5, and 10 mathematics question, out of which you have to attempt any 5. Total there will be 90 question, out of which you have to attempt 75. okay, and the total marks will be 300. So this is the scheme for JEE Main. Next I am moving to Neet. The mode of examination is offline. Medium depends upon your mother tongue: English, Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, Gujarati, Tamil, any language. Then the duration of the examination is 3 hours and 20 minutes. It's held once in a year. Type of question is MCQ. Total number of question is 200, and there are 180 applicable questions for attempt. Total marks is 720. Obviously there is negative marking, and the marking scheme is +4 for correct answer and -1 for incorrect answer. There will be total 3 sections in the paper, and the number of questions in physics there is 35 + 15, chemistry 35 + 15, in biology 35 + 15. So this is the scheme and the pattern for Neet. Next I am moving to Wbjee Jenpas, and for paper 1, that is category 1, each question carries 1 mark and -0.25 that is 1/4, that is the negative. And for category 2, each question carries 2 marks and there is no negative marks. Okay, so there will be total 5 papers for physics. Total number of questions in category 1 is 15, and in category 2 there is 5, and total marks is 25. Okay, same for chemistry and biology, and in English and logical reasoning there is no question in category 2. And next, that is paper 2 only for BHA course. Okay, so here the category 1 and category 2, the marking scheme is same, and the subject first, there is physical science, in which there will be 25 questions, and in category 2 there will be 5 questions and total marks will be 35. Then in mathematics, in category 1 there will be 10 questions, and in category 2 there will be 5 questions, and in GK same like mathematics, and in English there will be 20 question in category 1, and there will be no question in category 2. Same for logical reasoning, and the total marks will be 115. Okay, so this is the pattern for Wbjee Jenpas. So next I am moving to Aiims nursing. So for BSc honors, the examination duration is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. Mode of examination is computer based test, and type of question is obviously MCQ. There will be total 4 sections: physics, chemistry, biology and GK. In physics there will be 30 marks, in chemistry same, biology same, and in GK there will be 10 marks. So obviously there is negative marking, and that is -1/3, and the total marks is 100. And for BSc paramedical, the examination duration is 90 minutes, that is 1.5 hours. Mode of examination is same, online, computer based. Type of question is obviously MCQ. Sections will be there: physics, chemistry and biology or mathematics. Obviously there is negative marking, that is -1/3, and there will be total 30 questions in each section, that is 30 for physics, 30 for chemistry and 30 for biology or mathematics. So this is the pattern for BSc paramedical. So Aiims nursing is done. So the next I am moving to Kiit. It's a private institute, one of the best private institute. So for course BSc nursing, subjects will be physics, chemistry and biology. There will be total 120 questions, 40 each, and total marks will be 480. For MSc biotechnology or applied microbiology, there will be physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics, and there will be total question 120, in which 20 for physics, 30 for chemistry, 50 for biology and 20 for mathematics, and total marks is same, 480. So if you are doing BTech, for that the subjects will be physics, chemistry, maths. There will be total 120 question, 40 for physics, 40 for chemistry and 40 for mathematics, and the total marks will be 480. So if you want to do dual degree, that is BTech plus MTech, that will be a 5-year course, and for that the subjects you have to appear for the examination is physics, chemistry, math. There will be total 120 question, 40 each, and total marks is 480. And last, that is MSc nursing, question based on BSc nursing, same as BSc nursing, and total questions will be 120 and total marks will be 480. So this is the pattern for KIT. And last but not the least, VIT. So this is the pattern for VIT. Examination mode will be online, that is computer based test. Duration of examination will be 2 hours and 30 minutes. There will be total 5 sections. In mathematics there will be 40 question, in physics there will be 35 question, and in chemistry there will be also 35 question, and in aptitude there will be 10 question, and in English there will be 5 question. Type of question will be MCQ. Total number of question is 125. Marking scheme: for each correct response, and 1 marks is there for each correct answer, and there is no negative marking. That is one of the biggest thing, that is no negative marking. So this is the pattern for VIT. So I told you about Wbjee, JEE Main, Wbjee Jenpas, AIMS Nursing and Neet, KIT and VIT. So I hope you have liked the video. So if you like the video, then do comment and share among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.